want to help you understand your FEMA Disaster Assistance application. In this video, we will give you a preview of what to expect throughout the process. It's actually simpler than you think. Start by gathering some personal information needed for the application. Phone numbers, address of the damaged property, names and social security number of your household members, and insurance information if applicable. You'll be asked questions like, do you own or rent the disaster damaged property? Did you have structural damages and/or personal property damage? What caused your damage? Things like flooding, tornado, or wind, for example. Are you without essential utilities, or did you have any other expenses such as moving and storage, or increased childcare costs as a result of the disaster? FEMA does not duplicate insurance benefits, so you'll want to have your insurance information readily available, including the company name and the insurance declaration page, often referred to as the deck page. You can choose the best method for FEMA to stay in contact with you: email, phone, or text. No matter what method you choose, make sure you provide current information. Finally, if you're eligible for FEMA assistance and you'd like this assistance via direct deposit, you will need to provide your bank name, 9-digit routing number, and account number. You can submit your application online at DisasterAssistance.gov, through the FEMA mobile app, or by calling 1-800-621-3362, or by visiting a disaster recovery center. Please visit a disaster recovery center if you feel like you still need assistance. Go online to fema.gov/DRC to find a location near you.